Your smartphone, your GPS, your GoPro action cam, your tablet, your communication set, on the road, they all need one thing: power. When you're on the road, the last thing you need is a dead device. And that's exactly where the USB range comes in. OptiMate gives you a smart, weatherproof USB solution that perfectly fits your ride. Safe charging while you ride, smart battery protection while you park, power exactly where you need it. The real advantage? OptiMate USB senses when your bike is parked and turns itself off, and when the bike is started, it turns on again. That's OptiMate's USB unique standby mode that guarantees you will never be left stranded with a flat bike battery. For the ones more technical, let me explain that advantage just a little bit more. When your bike's engine is turned off, its battery voltage drops lower. The OptiMate USB senses that and automatically turns off after 1 hour. It means after parking the bike to admire the scenery, you have 1 hour to charge your phone and then it stops. Start the bike again, the bike's battery voltage rises as the bike's system charges it, and OptiMate USB senses that and wakes up automatically. You can once again charge your phone as long as you want whilst you ride. If your bike is already equipped with an SAE socket, or you have a permanent battery lead with SAE connected onto your battery, the OptiMate USB-A gives you a compact plug-and-play USB solution. It gives you a USB-A port to charge from and is the perfect solution to charge your phone, your sat-nav, or your action camera. Need your USB port to be further forward? Then the OptiMate USB-A gives you more inline cable length. That's perfect to get from your battery down to your handlebar or to fit a USB inside of your panels. It's clean, it's simple, and it's easy to use. Need a permanent USB-C setup? Then you can use the OptiMate 0118. It connects directly onto your battery with the M6 ringlets, and it gives you a fast, easy-to-use USB-C port wherever you mount it on your motorcycle. When you've got a DIN socket mounted on your motorcycle, USB charging becomes plug and play. The OptiMate USB-A uses a 90-degree bike plug that gives you both a USB-A and a USB-C port. It's a neat fit for all you BMW and Triumph owners who have that bike socket and who want to charge something without the clutter of all the cables around their handlebars. Prefer an inline setup? The OptiMate USB-A gives you a USB-A and a USB-C charge port with an inline bike plug connection. That's a neat and perfect fit for all of you who have a BMW, a Triumph, but also the Ducati Multistrada that have that bike socket. And if having just only one USB-A charge port just isn't enough, then the USB-A splitter can actually charge two USB-A devices using only one USB-A charger or port. Phone and GPS, not a problem. No matter what you ride, there is a smart OptiMate USB solution to keep all of your USB devices charged while you're on the road. OptiMate USB, smart power for every ride.